Welcome to Skilled MBA Case Study Series in Accounting. Trina Wolfson's journey with Tartan Loungewear highlights the importance of understanding accounting fundamentals. As she navigates her first year, she learns to balance creativity with financial realities, ensuring her business thrives. This case study offers insights into managing finances effectively while pursuing entrepreneurial dreams. Trina Wolfson's vision for Tartan Loungewear began with a unique concept: fashionable loungewear featuring tartan accents. Officially launching on June 1, 2022, the business focused on product development and customer engagement. Now, a year later, Trina confronts the essential task of understanding the financial aspects of her business journey. After a year of operations, Trina collaborates with an accountant to review receipts and transactions. Their objective is to construct Tartan's inaugural financial statements, laying the foundation for accurate financial management and strategic decision-making. Recording journal entries is crucial for documenting business transactions accurately. Proper financial classification helps categorize assets, liabilities, and equity. This foundation is essential for preparing professional income statements and balance sheets, illustrating how daily decisions impact financial records. Sales transactions involve recording revenue and tracking receivables accurately. Inventory management requires monitoring fabric costs and finished products. Operating expenses include managing rent, utilities, and other costs efficiently. Owner's equity involves documenting Trina's investments and withdrawals precisely. Each transaction tells a financial story, impacting the overall financial health and decision-making process. The core accounting equation, assets box liabilities plus equity, is fundamental. Assets represent what Tartan Loungewear owns, liabilities are what it owes, and equity reflects Trina's ownership value. Every transaction must maintain this balance, ensuring financial stability and accurate record-keeping. Trina purchases Rs 10,000 of tartan fabric, impacting the accounts through double-entry bookkeeping. The journal entry records a debit to inventory for Rs $10,000 and a credit to cash for Rs 10,000. This transaction maintains the balance in assets, as the increase in inventory is offset by a decrease in cash. When a customer buys loungewear online, record the sale by debiting cash and crediting sales revenue. Reduce inventory by crediting it and debiting cost of goods sold. Include sales tax in the journal entry. Update ledger accounts to reflect these changes, ensuring accurate income statements and balance sheets. Tartan's business transactions include acquiring fabric, packaging supplies, and manufacturing tools. Sales involve online transactions, sales tax collection, and shipping costs. Operating expenses cover studio rent, utilities, and marketing. Owner transactions involve capital contributions, withdrawals, and distinguishing personal from business expenses. Tartan's income statement reveals Rs $500,000 in sales revenue from loungewear products. After deducting Rs $2,000 for materials and production, the gross profit stands at Rs $3,000. Operating expenses, including rent and marketing, total are at $150,000, impacting the net profit. This financial snapshot highlights the efficiency of Tartan's operations and cost management. The balance sheet reflects Tartan's financial position, showing assets of Rs $4,000, including cash, inventory, and equipment. Liabilities, such as accounts payable and taxes, total Rs $1,000, while owner's equity is Rs $3,000. This balance confirms the equation: assets bar liabilities plus equity, crucial for understanding financial health. Engage with Tartan's real business scenarios to practice T accounts and journal entries. Collaborative discussions enhance understanding of transaction logic, reinforcing accounting principles. Students articulate how transactions transition into financial statements, fostering real-world comprehension. Grasp the journey of business events, transforming into journal entries and financial statements. Master the double entry system, understanding debits and credits. Develop skills to build financial statements from scratch, providing a comprehensive view of a business's financial health. A fashion startup offers a relatable context, making it engaging for students. It simplifies transactions by focusing on everyday business events, avoiding complex accounting. This approach provides a complete picture, illustrating the journey from transaction to financial statement. It builds practical skills applicable to any business or personal finance scenario. Thank You and Skilled MBA offers foundational accounting exercises and real-world startup case studies. These resources are designed to enhance understanding of business fundamentals, making them ideal for those interested in practical applications. For more information, visit skilledmba.com or contact support@skilledmba.com.